In today's video, I'm going to teach you, do you want to know how to strike through text? In Smartsheet in this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. Step by step, strike through is a simple formatting style that helps you visually mark items as done, outdated, or no longer needed without deleting them. It keeps your information visible while making it clear what's been completed or changed. We'll walk through the process in a clean, straightforward way so you can start using it right away in your own sheets. First, open Smartsheet and head to the sheet you want to work in. For this demonstration, I'm using a grid sheet, which is the most common sheet type in Smartsheet. If you're following along with another sheet type, that's okay. What we're covering here works the same way. Once your sheet is open, take a quick moment to make sure you can see the toolbar at the top of your screen. That's where we'll find the formatting options. Next, click on any cell where you want to add text. Type something in. Feel free to use a short phrase like, "Hi, how are you?" or anything that fits your project. After typing, click on the same cell again to make sure it's selected. You should see a highlight or border that shows the cell is active. Having the cell selected is important because the formatting you apply will affect whatever you've selected on the sheet. If you ever need to format multiple cells at once, you can select Arrange, but for now, a single cell is perfect for seeing the effect clearly. Now, look up to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Move your cursor toward the right side of the toolbar until you see the strike-through icon. It typically looks like an S with a line through it. Go ahead and click that icon. The moment you click, your text will be struck through, and you'll see a horizontal line running through the words you typed. That's all there is to it. It's fast, it's clear, and it keeps your information intact while signaling status at a glance. If you're working with task lists, this is a great way to show progress without removing context from your sheet. And that's the process for applying strike-through text in Smartsheet. It's a quick, reliable formatting tool that can make your sheets easier to scan and manage. I hope this tutorial helped solve your problem. If it did, please leave a like and a comment. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss any new uploads.